Notesnook versus Joplin, which is the better note-taking app? Hello and welcome to our channel, WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to make a comparison review between Notesnook and Joplin. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So basically, Notesnook is an application that was introduced in 2020, and according to its claim, it stands out as the user-friendly note-taking app currently available on the market, in which it provides features like end-to-end encryption, offline access, a rich editor, folders and tags, dark mode, and unlimited storage for paid users. And furthermore, it allows users to import their notes from platforms like Evernote, Google Keep, and Standard Notes. And Notesnook is compatible with operating systems such as Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, iOS, and web browsers. On the other hand, Joplin is a well-established application that was originated in 2016, in which it operates as an open-source project to everyone without any costs or restrictions on contribution. And similar to Notesnook, offerings Joplin also ensures end-to-end encryption along with access capabilities. And additionally, it provides features like an editor for formatting convenience, as well as notebooks and tags organizations options, alongside with a dark mode theme preference setting. And now that we know the overview of both platforms, we can now proceed to the features comparison on both platforms. So as you can see on this table, some of the features including end-to-end encryption, platform pricing, folders and tags, unlimited storage, and import from other sources. Now in terms of end-to-end encryption feature, Notesnook and Joplin offers this kind of feature. Now to its platform, Notesnook is available on Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, iOS, and web, while Joplin is also available in Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, iOS, and terminal. Now in terms of their pricing option, Notesnook offers $4.99 per month or $39.99 per year for premium. On the other hand, Joplin offers a free plan, but sync service cost varies. Now in terms of folders and tags, Notesnook offers this kind of features, while Joplin offers notebooks and tags. Now in terms of unlimited storage, Notesnook offers paid users only, while Joplin it depends on sync service. And in terms of feature import from other sources, Notesnook offers Google Keep and Standard Notes, while Joplin offers Markdown and HTML files. Now moving on to the pros and cons of using Notesnook is starting to its pros. Or the advantages of using Notesnook is that it boasts a user-sophisticated interface, making note creation and organization a breeze. And you can also choose from themes and fonts to personalize your experience. And your privacy is well protected with Notesnook, since it employs end-to-end encryption to safeguard your data against access. And additionally, you have the option to set passwords for notes or folders, adding a layer of security. And conveniently, import your notes from other popular note-taking apps like Google Keep and Standard Notes with just a few clicks. And this seamless transition ensures that you won't lose any of your notes when switching to Notesnook. And also, paid users enjoy the benefit of storage on Notesnook servers, and you can also effortlessly upload as a file as you desire provided you have premium subscription. However, the cons of using Notesnook is that compared to its competitors, Notesnook premium plan is priced higher at $4.99 per month or $39.99 per year. And also the app is source, which means its code cannot be inspected, modified, or contributed to for development purposes. And one drawback of Notesnook is that the absence of the web clipper feature, in which this feature allows users to save web pages or specific parts of notes, which can be handy for research, bookmarking, or archiving. And another limitation is that Notesnook only offers one premium plan option, in which users do not have the flexibility to choose a customizable plan that aligns with their budget and requirements. On the other hand, the advantages or pros of using Joplin is that there are options and settings for users to adjust according to their preferences, and they can modify the editor, sync service, encryption method, keyboard shortcuts, plugins, and even use Markdown formatting in their notes. And additionally, Joplin provides a paid plan options with sync services like Dropbox, OneDrive, Nextcloud and Web DAV, and this allows users to store and synchronize their notes across devices using their preferred service or over a network. And one notable feature of Joplin is that they have a web clipper functionality, which allows you to save web pages or specific sections as notes. And also, Joplin stands out as an open source project that welcomes everyone to use and contribute, in which you have the freedom to examine and modify its code or propose features and bug fixes. Furthermore, supporting its development through donation or spreading awareness is encouraged. And now the cons of using Joplin is that one of the drawbacks of Joplin is the absence of feature for password protecting notes or notebooks. And this implies that anyone who can access your device or sync service has the ability to read your notes unless you protect them with a master password. And also, the storage capacity in Joplin depends on the synced service you opt to, while certain services may have limited or fixed storage limit, which can restrict the number of notes or attachments you can store. And aside from that, to free up some space, you might also need to have either pay fees or delete some of your notes. But the question is, who should choose Notesnook? Well, Notesnook is a note-taking application that provides top-notch security features, compatibility across platforms, and a user-friendly interface, in which it caters to individuals who prioritize the confidentiality and accessibility of their notes from any device, which means your notes remain encrypted on your device and can only be decrypted using your password, and not even the Notesnook team has the access to your notes, and they remain strictly private. And with its interface, Notesnook allows you to effortlessly create and organize your notes, and you have the flexibility to use text formatting, attachments, checklists, tables, and more to enhance your note-taking experience. Additionally, you can easily search, sort, and filter your notes based on the keywords, dates, and colors if you value security, ease of use, convenience, all while being willing to invest in note-taking application with features. Well, then Notesnook is undeniably a superior choice for you. But what about Joplin? Who should choose Joplin? Well, if you're in search of note-taking application that both open source while also prioritizing security, Joplin is an excellent choice, since Joplin offers a range of features allowing you to create notes that include text, images, videos such as PDFs, audio files, math expression, and diagrams. And additionally, it provides the option to save web pages, capture a screenshot, and collaborate with others through Joplin Cloud. And with its synchronization capability across devices and platforms like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, iOS, as well as terminals, Joplins ensure your notes are always accessible. And moreover, you have the flexibility to customize Joplin with plugins for added functionality and personalize it with themes and text editors that suit your preferences. And for those who value privacy, along with productivity and flexibility, Joplin stands out as the note-taking app. Now, in conclusion, or to sum up, Notesnook and Joplin are both note-taking applications that provide features like end-to-end encryption, accessibility, and compatibility across different platforms. However, they have strengths and weaknesses that they may cater to different individuals, since Notesnook offers a user-friendly experience but comes at a higher cost and lacks open source availability. On the other hand, Joplin allows for customization and flexibility, but can be slightly more intricate and less polished in comparison. So it is essential to select the application that aligns better with your preferences and requirements. So that is just a comparison review between Notesnook and Joplin. Thank you.